Hi guys, welcome back to Ellitopia. We're in a room for 24
I've got to
hours.
set this thing again, don't I?
So first, we have to go and get our stuff with you guys.
No.
You're going to be waiting here for me.
6 o'clock.
Bye-bye. All we need is this. We already started the 24 hours. And we have M&M's there. Me and Millie will just split this, who cares?
Alright. I'm so happy I left my charger up here. I shrunk the tablets a little bit.
That means this can be sitting here for 24 hours.
When
But I have to pause you at one point at night.
when I got more battery on that, I'm going to try and do some TikTok. Because we're stuck in here, we might as well do some TikToks.
Yeah, we're going to be doing music, please.
Ellitopia people, please follow me on TikTok.
Yeah, please follow Millie on TikTok.
The bottle.
Please follow Millie on TikTok.
Me!
I don't know what she is on.
Neither I. I don't know my name.
And we have nothing good to do. And randomly there's books what I like to read. There's lean bands what we can do. But I don't know what we can do, but
I think it's just been a minute and I'm already bored.
yeah, it's just been a minute. I'm already bored. What do you want to do, lean bands?
I've done new bands in a long time.
Yeah, we're gonna go do lean bands. Okay, books.
I'm going to write a quote on my arm.
We got some loan bands, and I'm gonna be doing that. We'll tell you when we're done with the loan bands and Millie doing something on that one.
Quote.
We'll give you an update later. Oh, no. Hi. We haven't finished. Millie is saying you will think we're cheating. We're just gonna stay here. I even have proof by Millie. And my mum outside because she hasn't, and everybody else. I mean, see you in a minute.
I don't want to say goodbye.
We're gonna see you in a minute
Can
too.
you face me? Can we keep it but just facing me? Please. Are you fans?
Just gonna pause. Bye bye for now, guys. I'm back. I made this with the loom bands. Millie's in the middle of making one, so I'm gonna make one again. And we've been here for long.
No, we haven't. It's only still 23 hours.
23 hours left.
No, 23 hours and 1 minute and something.
Yep, that means we'll come back to you when
We've been here for 59 minutes.
59 minutes. So what?
And we're supposed to stay here for...
Guys, I've just finished another bracelet. That means Millie's still on her
No,
choker.
I'm not making bracelet, I'm making a necklace.
Bye-bye. I'm back. My sister's brought our food up. I'm eating. That means we have to pause because we don't want to spend 15 minutes talking to you, then we can't talk to you after that.
We'll have to do a part 2 and we don't want to do part 2.
We can do a part 2 for you.
If we do run out of time, we will do a part 2, we promise.
Yeah. Today, right? Let me check how much time.
Still like 22 hours.
But we have to tell them.
We have 23 hours, 10 minutes and 17 seconds.
We spent 1 hour here. Nearly 1 hour. We're going to pause when we're eating because we don't want to talk to you when we're eating, do we? Means bye-bye. Guys, we're just in the middle of... And I'm nearly finished. Are you?
No.
I'm nearly finished. And Millie's nearly finished.
No, I'm not.
We're still on our soup.
We've been picking up prawn crackers on those fish things. Hey guys! We're still bored.
Yeah, but bored. Oh yeah, I made another bracelet. No, ankle bracelet.
Oh,
And
I
I got
forgot
two.
what I'm wearing it for.
And Millie's wearing a choker. That means
He's not answering me now.
we're gonna be just talking about Scrab. Guys, we still have loads of time and we have nothing to do instead of talk to this ugly person over there. Someone called Katie.
Get off the chair.
I know.
This is a baby.
We don't want her in it. We don't want babies in it right now.
We've got 22 hours left.
I'm gonna die.
We'll have to listen to you then.
And then Katie's joining us for 24 hours.
But she can't leave the room.
Because I've got a baby.
Because she could give Nan the baby. That is the only reason. One chance she takes the baby downstairs. You coughing?
Come on, my baby cousin gives me a high five. He's learning how to do it. Why
How old
can't
is he?
you? 5 months.
She's 6 months.
Yeah, you should know it even more. He gives me a high five.
Yeah,
He's a gangster.
Millie's just moaning at a 6-month-year-old.
6 months, not 16. Or
I
16.
6 months, didn't I?
Months.
Yeah. Millie is 11. She's a bullying a 6-month-year-old.
Do you know what bullying is?
Yes.
You
can click, click, clopping on a donkey.
as we walk
All night through Bethlehem.
and then
Knock, knock, knocking at every door.
there's
There's no room, let me in.
Right.
There was the eek of a man and he held
What are
his
you?
hand to the
Strangers
street.
in the
What
sky.
are you?
I'm a narrator and I've got 2 duets with Madison.
Oh my god.
There's a record.
Okay, guys, if Katie's leaving, got tissue for the baby, and Katie's last chance. Katie's not even joining, but I have nearly done part 1. Still on part 1.
You're eating it. You're eating it. You're not sucking. You're eating.
You have these. I've got 3 bracelets. I'm bored right now. Nothing to do. I'm gonna try and find something in the magic box. I've got a magic box. You smack Millie on the butt and it works. Millie has a fat butt.
Shut up. So do you? You've twerking it before. Twerking your fat butt.
Millie was twerking before.
You were. I wasn't twerking. I'm feeding a baby.
You just started feeding a baby.
Ow! Ow! Don't put that. I've got 4 cats that do that. I don't need a baby that does that too.
Yeah, and then Millie's
Come
getting
on.
bullied by a baby.
You want more? Or do you want more? Do you want more?
Feed yourself.
Katie's a bit.
Nah. No more milk for you.
Ow!
You're killing the baby.
Ow!
Let me see.
Oh,
Small
my fat butt. My fat feelings.
Oh, baby, sorry. You're
Fat
struggling to breathe.
bum.
Ooh.
What does that look to you? No. Look, what does that look to you? When it's actually up. No.
I haven't had my tea yet, you guys.
You have.
I haven't. I don't either.
Yes, she hasn't.
What battery am I on? Oh, it's not on
Okay,
charge.
let's see you later.
I'm well, Mad. I'm got no one to talk to
Get me.
on message. I like the song Shower, I don't know why.
Have you heard? But Grande. Something like next.
Thank you. Next. Alright. I know it and I've heard it and I killed the song. I banned it and I blocked it and I've never seen it since.
Guys, I am doing this. Yeah, Millie is Miss Lonely actually. I'm just making something. I'll show you after. I really want to make it perfect because I am perfect. But Millie, I don't know if she's perfect because I don't know her. She's a stranger. Or just randomly slept at my house.
Look.
Wait, where's the cover? Come on. Cover's gone. Can't show it. I'm getting this. I'm getting this.
As sly as a fox, as strong as an ox, as fast as a hare,
I'm
as
getting
brave
that.
as a bear,
And
as
again,
free as a
number
bird, as neat as a
I'm
worm,
using
as quiet
crickets.
as a mouse, as
Actually,
big as a house.
On the toilet. Guys, I have 2 toilet breaks and I'm using one right now. I'm using one right now. Mel, talk to them.
Hi, my name's Ellie. I'm a weirdo because I'm Ellie. So we're playing with some sandy stuff. Don't know what I'm supposed to do. Make some pencils. Okay. This video will carry on when Eddie comes back. Bye.
Guys, I've just got it in a, trying to get it in a circle. So I really hope this works.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Actually, I'm gonna, this is what, actually no, I'm gonna use this one. Roll it. Oh, I should roll it first. Should we color with this?
I'm on the phone with my mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi, darling. Nope, I look like Billy. You could pull a titty out or something for me?
Oh, he's begging. That's the song. Please don't fail. Don't fail and keep me right. I'm gonna use this.
Oh, let's see if he makes it.
Okay.
So it starts there and the end's right at the bottom. He's got to find his way out. And there's 5 levels.